See. What do you know about this?
We just look at the internet and we find this place, so we decided to come and to visit.
Oh, today's lunch chapati, again pulao, raita, pickle. I think this is paneer, like a butter masala, and a vegetable, potato vegetable. Here, yeah, two trains coming together. Oh, so beautiful. And there is a loco pilot inside. Oh. Oh my God. So there's a scooter, so small, see my finger. It's so small. This guy is on a scooter moving around. There's a car coming here. And this is all magnetic, no? Yeah, so there's a bus coming here. So put your finger there. See the size of the cycle, a man and the cycle. He is also on a magnetic field.
And the oldest one is, of course, the Hessen Company German train, manufactured in 1890.
Oh my. Train coming here, friends. Oh my God. And there is a guy here. Saying, hi, how are you? So this is a station, and this is a steam locomotive. I met Ramaswamy. He is a museum employee. That is the Chennai Rail Museum. And what he gave me, let me show you. He gave me a ticket. No, those days when you go to a station, you get like this ticket. Seeing is the oldest steam loco. Here it is. The oldest steam loco. Friends. Saying bye to.
Bye again. We are
Yeah.
saying to Kiran.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bolu, the mascot in
yeah.
is watching you also.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bolu.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, thank you. And Sridharan sir is coming with me. So saying last time bye to Chennai Rail Museum. Bye bye. See you next year. Guests have started coming. This young guy is very happy. You can hear the sound. See. Can you hear the sound? And see here. See here. Yeah, this is not bullet train. This is Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat. Like it? You like it? You said thank you, your mom? Thank you. Okay. What do you know about this?
We just look at the internet and we find this place, so we decided to come and to visit.
Oh,
Yeah.
how were the exhibits? You liked it? Yeah. So this is an American train which used to run in America, 1937 to 1974. It's called Santa Fe. So I brought America here by drawing this. It used to go through the scenic beauty. This is made from ice cream sticks. You know ice cream sticks?
Yes.
Candy ice creams. It's made from ice cream sticks. The bridge is made from ice cream sticks. And this is from PVC drainage pipe. Yeah.
Nice job.
And I'm from Bombay.
From Bombay?
Yeah, I work for American company Airbnb as a tourist guide.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi. So, how is it? Good?
She's a bit shy.
Yeah, she's. So, Annie, yeah? Your name, sir?
Look.
Luke. Luke. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for visiting. Today's lunch chapati, again pulao, raita, pickle. I think this is paneer, like a butter masala, and a vegetable, potato vegetable. And we are in this beautiful surroundings here. Hello, sir. How is the food? Oh, it's really good, tasty, and I'm enjoying my food. Introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, Mahendra Kumar. I'm into this hobby for the past 8+ years. Started as a childhood passion, where steam engines are my dad used to take me to visit, stations to visit, to see the last set of steam engines running in Egmore railway station and all that. And every time we go out of station, my dad used to take me have a look at the engines and all that. So that passion.
That is how it started. Huh? And today he is having
it's like
this. And can you tell the viewers what is the gauge here?
Okay, this is a G scale.
G scale, one of the big ones.
Yes.
Yeah. So G scale, and he's having a small one also,
Yes.
a steam engine. Can you show this working?
Yes. Power on.
So see, it's working now. See, it's a steam locomotive, very old one, Santa Fe. I have a different Santa Fe. That is mine is Sofa Chef, and here comes the steam engine, steam locomotive.
That one, the smaller one is the W scale, running in 1:7 scale.
Okay. So beautiful.
This is the
Two trains
awkward
coming. See here. Yeah, two trains coming together. Oh, so beautiful. And there is a loco pilot inside. Hi, how are you, man? Enjoying the ride. So, thank you. And he's from Chennai. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And beautiful setup.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. One more exhibitor. Yeah. They are all professionals. So your name is SVP Ram Prasad. SVP Ram Prasad. So, how you feel today? The last day.
Great.
And how did you start this hobby?
I started when I was 10 years old. I was staying near Egmore Yard, watching all the train shunting.
Oh,
I got hooked into it, and my birthday gift was a train set. So I kept on building,
oh my God.
and it's a never-ending story.
So your story is like me. And the layout is a German layout. Yeah, with the house and all that. Let me show you a close-up of this German layout with the German trains here. If you see, so beautiful, friends. And the bus is running, and the train here.
That is Northlander Express.
Oh my God.
Powerful visual.
So beautiful, friends. You have to come here. If you are in Chennai, it's good. If you are not in Chennai, next year you should come here, because nowhere in India they have a
International standard.
international standard. Surely an international standard. See the trains moving around. Let me take this locomotive. What's the name of that locomotive?
This one.
Yeah.
It's called Tiger.
Tiger. Oh my God, the tiger is coming now. Friends, see the tiger coming. Let me take it this way. Yeah, the tiger coming. And there is another train crossing. Very good. I love the architecture, the layout
That
and
is
all.
a real German station.
This one.
Yeah, born in Berlin.
Oh, this is real German station from Berlin, and the train is passing through the station. Oh my God, so good, eh? So, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very legend guy, Senthil Kumar. His daughter also is a very good artist.
Thank you.
Senthil Kumar, how you feel today, the last day?
Very happy.
Very happy, yeah? But also sad. Today is the last day.
That's true.
Yeah.
But there is always next year.
Yeah. So, Sanjay, how you came across this hobby?
Main reason is the person next to me, Mr. Sundaram. So when I was studying 8th standard, his wife was my social studies teacher.
Oh.
So she took me to her home, and in her home, in his garage, he had a very big layout, train layout. And I asked him how does it run, and my teacher told him to explain to me, because I am all interested in small things like that. He explained to me like what it is.
Like that you got that.
I got that.
And today you are displaying it to the children and the people over here.
I am standing next to him, and
Yeah, it's a unique experience and unique feeling also.
Absolutely.
See what he has. Scale, Z scale. So it's the smallest one, and not only that, see it's beautifully running here. Let me show you very close up with the layout. Yeah, see here. And very important is there is a scooter so small, you know, see my finger. It's so small. This guy is on a scooter moving around. There is a car coming here. And this is all magnetic, no? Yeah, so there's a bus coming here. So this is all magnetic. There is a magnet moving down. You can't see. You have to lift this up and see. This is something very unique. There's a magnet moving around. There are 3 magnets here. You can add more magnets. But at present there are 3 magnets. And there is a roller, no? There's a roller which moves the magnet. So, thank you very much. Yeah, and this is another one. Say, if you see NF, Northern Frontier, yeah, Darjeeling. This is a Darjeeling one. And you know, this is a loop. We call it a loop here. Yeah. And what you can do in Darjeeling, you get down there, the train will stop, go very slow there, and you come running here and catch the train here. You take some photos. By the time you take photographs, the train will reach here. You get into the train and go. Yeah, I am perfect.
Absolutely.
I have been by this train.
Those who've been there will know this.
I have been on all the scenic trains in India. So, yeah, so see the beauty of this. Yeah? So this is the Darjeeling one, and there's a guy cycling here, very small. Put your finger there. See the size of the cycle, a man and the cycle. He is also on a magnetic field. Beautifully done. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we meet next year if possible. This is one of the very senior person and also a professional guy, Jogar Rao, very famous. I have heard about you long back. So he has something which is very unique. So how is it today? How you feel?
Well, it's a pleasure having come here and met all these enthusiasts of trains and train models. So I'm glad to associate with these people.
So today is the last day. Yeah?
Yeah, it's very, the 3 days have just run away very fast. So we are already on the last day. So
Last day.
I'm a bit disappointed that it's not being prolonged a little bit more.
So can you describe about these trains?
Yeah, all these are antiques.
Antiques, yes.
These 2 are Bing railway stations from 1910.
Okay.
This train is Carl Bubb. It's from 1935.
1935. Oh my God.
This is a British Louis Marx train
Okay.
from 1950.
1950. See this British train. Somewhere I saw it written,
Electric.
Oh, it was electric. Huh?
Yeah, it's
okay,
electric.
okay. And then there's
This is a water
a
tank.
water tank which fills water to the steam engine.
Steam engine.
So nice. And there's a brass model here.
No, it's not brass. It's a tin aeroplane. Tin tank which is guarding the plane.
Okay, very good. The tank is
That's a Hornbill. That's a Chad Valley. That's from England.
So
And the oldest one is, of course, the Hessen Company German train, manufactured in 1890.
oh my God. So
It's a
here,
miracle that it has survived.
oh my God. See here, it was built in 1890. So these are some of the, we can say information about the trains. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah. So your passion will be useful for some children who see this and learn about from the video also and who have come here.
They will know that these are the toys which their grandfathers or great grandfathers played with.
Oh my God. So thank you very much. Thank you. So here is another guy, Manikandan. Here is his photograph. So sir, how is it? How are you?
Yes, I am fine, sir.
So how was the day today?
That's nice.
Lot of crowd, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what is having? Chennai Central Station. It looks similar like this, friends. And then he has some plastic, trains here. Oh, beautiful then. And there's an Indian Railway.
LHB coach.
LHB coach, okay. So how you got this passion of doing this?
छोटा ही से हमारा का इंटरेस्ट है ये,
Oh,
इसलिए मैंने ये आइडिया करके हम किया है.
oh, from his childhood he was interested.
I'm
So,
making many more models.
so this all you made, eh?
Yes, sir.
So this is all made by him. It's not that he purchased this from somewhere. Everything was made by him. That's a great job, huh? And
Fully acrylic material.
acrylic material.
Cutted in designed in computer and cutted in laser cutting machine.
Oh my
and
God.
manually fitting. Sir.
Oh my God, really good, eh? So it's written acrylic laser cutting. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Take care, and have a good day. Friends, here's a very important guy. His name is Ansel. Judah Harper.
Yeah,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, Kiran.
3 days. Today is the last day.
Sad that today is the last day, but I think we have done great, and everybody's cooperation was there. You can see the
crowd.
hall is filled with so much of enthusiasm, passion, and thanks to Kiran and all his friends also. This is the 4th year that we are doing it.
Good year. Okay.
And I think Kiran is the first year here,
First year.
so he's first year college student for us. But wonderful.
You know, you work for ICF.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many years?
32 years.
32 years. And about to retire?
4 more years.
No more. You're still young.
Still young. Good.
I saw your passion. I saw your commitment.
Yeah.
I saw your hard work
Yeah.
for this last 3 days.
Thank you.
You
Yeah.
enjoy it?
Very much. Over the moon.
Huh?
Over the moon.
You love railways from your childhood or
No.
later on?
Actually, I love heritage.
Heritage.
I love heritage. I've got lots of heritage things in my house. So this is part of that heritage. And being the World Heritage Day, we have come up with an idea 4 years back with 2 exhibitors. Then next year 4 exhibitors, then 8, and now we are standing at 20 plus. Really,
Friends, his friend has sent as a gift for him this model here,
yeah,
Australia.
yeah,
This was sent by his friends,
that's right.
and what he did is he donated it to ICF.
Yes,
Yeah?
that's
Am I right?
yeah, that's right. Mr. Morris, I think he's 80 plus
80 plus.
from Brisbane, Australia.
Yeah, here it is. You know,
Yeah.
his name is here.
Is there? Yeah, Mr. Morris.
His name is Morris, and this is his layout. Which
Yeah.
is sent from Australia. Friends.
Yes.
Not done anything in India.
Yeah.
So you're really a great man, you know. People believe you, trust you. And
Yeah.
I've seen you. I've never met you, but
Yeah.
when I landed in Chennai the first day, that is on 30th of April, I met him.
Yeah.
Really a great guy. Yeah?
Same. I liked you also. Very good. Very much of
So
passion.
today is the last day. How you feel?
A bit. It's sad also because, but I think everybody's tired also now.
Everyone's tired.
And you have come all the way from Bombay for this show. So who can be more tired than you?
Yeah. So I travel tomorrow.
Most distance you have traveled and come.
So thank you, Ansel, for
Yes.
inviting me. It's a great pleasure.
Thank you very much.
You know, it will be a long-lasting friendship.
Surely.
We meet again.
Yes.
They say
Bigger.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Yes.
So we meet again, and
Yeah.
God willing, we will be again here.
Sure.
And even if I don't participate, I will surely come and meet.
Always welcome here.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
for
much,
all
Kiran.
your help and guidance. Thank you.
Thank you for your participation. Thank you, Kiran.
So here is his. You know, he is very happy with the crowd here and all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Nitya Guru, SLC. I am Nitya Guru, Senior Section Engineer.
From ICF.
Yes, from ICF.
And he was also instrumental for what you see here. Not it's not a one man's game. It is a team of people like Hansel, Sridhar, and many more. Many more people. No, from ICF and even the scout and guides, and many of them, and some new apprentices also. Thank you, sir, for all the help and guidance. Thank you very much. It's a person. If you read his name, Malhotra, but he is in Chennai. Yeah, Chennai based.
I am Chennai based, born and brought.
Familiar.
No, I am North Indian,
North Indian.
born and brought up in Chennai.
And So, what's your age?
I am a young boy, 70 years old.
Very young, yeah. So,
Very young.
And he is an inspired. Your name? Manu. Manu Malhotra. And how you came to do this, this hobby?
I got into this hobby in 1999. I started on a small scale. I started with a small one. Then later on, as time passed, I got into a bigger G scale.
Today, people are really admiring and enjoying it.
Yeah,
And
this is the G scale.
see the scale. It's
Yeah.
called D scale.
Yeah,
A very big one. It's the biggest one.
Biggest
After
one.
This, you have the garden ranges.
yeah, those are much bigger.
Those are very big ones.
Yeah.
Where you can sit on that and move around.
Yes.
See the train coming here. Friends. Oh my God. And there is a guy here. Saying, hi, how are you? And on the can they can some chocolate here.
There's a guard also there.
Here. How do you feel? How do you feel today?
I feel excited. I'm here for the last 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, every year I take part in this thing.
Oh my God! Mine is the first year, and I'm so happy. See the smile.
You know, it gives you the satisfaction that you're into a hobby and the public is also enjoying it.
And she has to support you. She has support very difficult. Same thing in my case.
Getting a wife's support is difficult. I had the problem initially, but now she's supporting me.
So, sir, thank you very much. Thank you. Hope to see you next time, next year. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Friends, here there is a very senior guy, and he's really very professional. His name is and Dominic is his son. And there are some guests here. Your name?
Hemanand.
Srijayan.
And Nivedita. Oh my God, so nice. So, how you feel today when children they come and
Yeah, especially now, like when I meet children like them, it's so wonderful that they are interested in this, and the way they grill me with some of the questions, all it is was fantastic. I hope all the youngsters, instead of wasting time in video games and all that, they take up some sort of a hobby like this and do this. This is the world's greatest hobby. The railways, modeling is the world's greatest hobby. It's not your aero modeling or shipbuilding and all that. This is. I am an aero modeler and a ship builder also, but this is the greatest.
So, what is important here? Why I made him to wait here. He's in a traditional dress.
Yes, and it's dhoti.
In Kerala we call mundu. What do you call here?
Deti.
Dhoti.
In Tamil, we will call it as Deti.
Yes,
So,
yes,
how
yes.
you came to in this hobby? What made you come here?
Right from small, my dad got me a model frame. So with that, I got interested, and like you would have seen Mr. Mervin's tracks made out of bamboo. I explained to you how I done it when I was small with the bamboo.
Bamboo and all.
Yes, the same thing.
So here he has a scale which is OO and HO scale.
Yeah.
These are very old models.
Yes, yes.
And yesterday you were showing something with a steam engine.
Live stream engine.
What is
Yes.
this?
It's actually a live stream where you put in about 25 ml of water and some steam oil, heat it up and it is heated with immersion heaters, and then you pass about 15 volts of current via the tracks, and then you build up steam and it runs with steam. It runs for the next 30 minutes, it will run.
That's the steam engine here.
No, not that one, the blue one. Yeah, that's the blue one. The blue one is.
Mallet.
Yes.
And his son is here. Hi, how are you, man?
I'm doing
That
fine.
guy. What made you? Your brother bought him here.
Yes, yes.
He has a setup here. Let me show you his setup.
I wanted to do the the German concept. So since we have all our trains from Germany, Markland, so we thought we'd do a German city come landscape. Goes into the station. So beautiful, eh?
Vishwanath Manokaran. Here's another guy. This model here, it's a N scale, no? N scale, yeah, it's a N scale. So it's one of the very small. Z is the smallest one. So, what brought you to this passion here?
It's my childhood dream, sir. I liked in childhood itself, usually when I travel, if any railway track is there, I just watch and see any train is going.
Oh, like
I
me.
just-
And what he has a beautiful setup here. And I think your wife was here. Where is she? Oh, hi, how are you? How is her support to you?
She is very, very helpful to me.
Helping, eh?
Yes, she only encouraged and this year I thought I cannot do it, but she encouraged me.
Oh.
And she sponsored and sponsored for helping this layout.
Layout, okay,
Yes,
very
everything
good.
She will help me.
She is also from Chennai?
Yes, she is.
Both of Chennai, yeah? Oh, Chennai based. And see the beauty of this, huh? Let me show you. Let the train come close. And see the beauty of this. Here comes. See. This goes and there's a station there. There's another one there. There's an electric one and it's a steam locomotive there. There's a beautiful plane ready to take off. Yeah, there's a beautiful plane ready to take off here. And very nice, a small thing, but really it has a lot of beautiful locomotive. There's a train coming, steam engine. Let me take it here. So this is a station, and see the steam locomotive. And he has a beautiful setup here. See, Santa Fe. And there's another electric one here, beautiful one. So how did you collect all this, sir?
From collectors. I usually bought it from collectors, but because of I don't know where to purchase it before last 7 years before. I just came here only.
Okay.
Museum. When I visiting, I thought of buying some miniature model like
Oh.
that. Here is one guy, I don't know, I forgot his name. He only guided me.
Okay.
There are so many characters there. We know them. He given one number.
Okay.
And I purchased the characters each. Everything I purchased was second price.
Okay, okay.
Each cost around, each engine cost around 10,000 like that.
Oh, that's a very expensive. Each engine costs 10,000. Friends, even though it is second hand. No?
That one is 3,000. Steam engine is new one, 15,000 I bought it.
15,000
That
rupees.
one is 2,000. That one is 10,000.
10,000 rupees. My God.
This is this steam engine, this diesel locomotive is around 7,000.
7,000 rupees, friends. This is 7,000. And I love this one, yeah? It's a small one. See here. Here it goes. A beautiful one.
This is a simple layout from my side.
Yeah, no, very nice. So thank you very much. So hope to meet you again.
Thank you so
How
much.
you
sir.
feel? Today is the last day.
I feel very worried for this. This is going to be end on this year.
Yeah.
Next year we will be showing more.
More of
and
that.
more
I think next year there will be a tunnel here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Definitely I will be doing.
Yeah,
Tunnel and
tunnel.
the overbridge.
Overbridge. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Here, what did you like?
Racer.
Train set. Very nice, huh? You said super, no? What you said? Super.
Super all this.
Okay, thank you.
So really it is very hard.
Yeah. Thank you. The last day and see the crowd. Let me show you the crowd. See the crowd here today. Friends, this is the crowd here today. So many people here today. People watching my... Hi, how is it? Nice? Nice? Oh, very good. You want to hear the sound of this train? Yes. Listen. He's very happy. I met Ramaswamy. He's a museum employee. That is the Chennai Rail Museum. And what he gave me, let me show you. He gave me a ticket. No, those days when you go to a station, you get like this tickets. And he gave me a beautiful small ticket. Ramaswamy, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. So he cannot see clearly, but he can see little bit. Thank you for this very kind gesture. Thank you. Thank you. There is another very old and experienced person who has been here. ये कितने साल से कर रही है? 4th year है, यानी स्टार्टिंग से अब चालू है. His name is Alauddin. कैसे आपने ये सब सोचा ये सब करना है?
ये बचपन से आदत थी.
बचपन से आपको शौक था? कितना साल थे आप? कितने उम्र क्या था तभी?
10 years से मैं कलेक्ट करता हूँ.
10 years से he started collecting. And I was at the age of 10 years. I dreamt about it. I got it at the age of 58. So आपका उम्र क्या होगा अभी?
70 years.
70 years. It's a very unique train model. You can see here. चलाएंगे ये इसको. There's a very unique train model. And
The world first steam loco.
this is the world first steam loco. Oh, that's England and that's German. This is American. So what you are seeing is the oldest steam loco. Here it is. The oldest steam loco. Friends, see the beauty of this. And this is British one. Oh, and this is American one. See, 2 locos moving around, Beautiful. Sir, आज कैसा लग रहा है आपको? आज तीसरा दिन है. Tired हो गए, yeah, थक गए. You see the crowd and really we all are tired. We are standing here for so many hours.
How are you?
I am fully tired and I have to go to Bombay again, taking all this back to Bombay. So,
You are leaving Bombay?
yeah, tomorrow morning 6:35.
Take one day rest with you.
No. I have to again go to Ahmedabad. धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. इंशाल्लाह कभी मिलेंगे.
Next year I will.
Next year देखेंगे. Okay. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Friends, he also has a vintage toys. If you see here, he has some vintage toys here. See Willis. And see here. This guy. Oh my God. These are all vintage toys, huh? These are not new ones. Oh, 1960s and 1970s, Japanese. Oh my God. Very nice, huh? Thank you, Alauddin ji. Thank you very much. Singh Saab. And he's 80 years old. And you know what? I asked him, when are you going to Bangalore? He said, maybe today evening 6 to 7 I will leave. I said, who will drive the vehicle? He said, I am standing in front of you. I was surprised. Doing the 3 days he's here and driving to Bangalore Oh my God, मान लिया आपको. And then he said, I did Bangalore to Patna, na?
Yeah, Bangalore.
Patna 4 times non-stop, 2,600 kilometers.
One side.
One side. Oh my God, non-stop. I can't believe it, you know. But really, you have to believe.
Thank you.
अरे मान लिया आपको. Singh साहब मान लिया आपको. His name is Amarjit Singh. Thank you जी. Thank you. सत श्री अकाल और मिलेंगे ऐसे ही. Thank you, thank you. What a guy, yeah. See, he's an exhibitor. You meet such exhibitors here. Amarjit Singh. Age of 80, he has come here. Not only that, he has driven from Bangalore to Chennai and again he is going back. Can't believe such things, you know, such exhibitors. It's getting 5:30, 3 days, and now I'm dismantling everything now here. I've started it with the lights. I've switched off the lights. Now slowly I'm removing all this and taking back to Bombay. Removing the lights now. Here the light goes. Here it goes. One by one I'm removing everything here. Started removing the paintings here. So all my paintings I have to first place it inside so that this thing gets opened. Again. So friends, this is the last time we are meeting each other, and as of today, but we will be meeting surely next year. Say yes. Everyone say yes.
These young people came here and with the hard work and done the settings and shown all the miniature trains to the general public. And in the felicitations function, Madam was very impressed with your performance.
Yes.
She was very happy.
Thank you.
The way interactions he has done with you is the indication of happiness.
Yes.
So our sincere thanks from our team to all of you, sir. You have done a yeoman service.
Thank you.
And the next in the next year, like that we will do, sir.
Sure. Thank you.
So multifunctional kind of exhibition.
Yeah.
It's been a wonderful get together, and with all you people around, it has been so lovely. And no doubt, I've been seeing new faces and old faces.
Yeah.
And in addition, a few things that have been good. And what best? I don't have any words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We used to tell him handsome.
Yeah.
And he coordinated with all of you in an immense way. And for the successful conduction of this program, he is one of the pillars.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Okay, bye. Take care. Anand. Bye. Yeah, see you next year. And this is my luggage, friends. So I'm saying bye to them also. This is the last time I'm here. Maybe next year. Hope so. And bye. It was really very helpful. Answer, bye. Take care. And Sridharan here. Sridharan, thank you very much for everything. You are a great help, both of you. Great help, really. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. And Mr. Sridharan will be helping me tonight. He will stay with me, and my luggage is ready here. Ready for tonight. We go to the room, and tomorrow morning we go to the station. How it was and see how empty it is now. No one. Everything is empty here now. So there are few people just packing. Otherwise, it's empty now. What a crowd it was. Thank you, friends. If at all you are watching my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. So, bye Ripples on road from Chennai. Thank you everyone. Thank you. My bags are in this car. Somehow we put it in that, and I'm saying bye to.
Bye again. We are saying to Kiran.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bolu, the mascot India is watching you also.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bolu.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. And Sridharan sir is coming with me. So saying last time bye to Chennai Rail Museum. Bye. See you next year.
Now we have to carry all these things inside.
Okay, okay. Oh my God. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Bye. So we are leaving now. So your name? Gopi is taking us to our hotel, guest house. Very tired, and what we are doing is we came straight to have our dinner. We'll stay there without taking shower. And sir is eating. Let me show what he's having. He's having idli, coconut chutney. This is onion chutney,
Tomato. This is pudina.
pudina chutney, and sambar.
Coriander.
And we will be sharing. This is malai kofta with fulka and some onions and pickle. Not pickle, lemon. So, sir, enjoy your food. Yeah, we are enjoying our food now. My favorite, lime soda.